There are 22 waterfalls in the greater Los Angeles area, and they're all gushing with water from El Nino. We are going to try and see all 22 of them. We've come to our first turn. Take a left to go down to Paradise Falls, but look at how green this is out here. We came around the corner and you can see the water is flowing. You can see the falls down there and how green it is. We'll get down in it in a second. We made it to Paradise Falls, our first of the 22 waterfalls we will hike to. The water is flowing beautifully. It's about 70 degrees out here, a little breezy. Perfect weather after El Nino. On to the next waterfall. We are on our way into Solstice Canyon to find the waterfall. One thing cool about this hike is the old house that burned down years ago in 1982. It was a grocer's house. Everything's left for the foundation, including the pool. It's right down from the falls. We made it up to the falls, and there is much more water than in years past. We've spent the last half an hour sitting in front of this waterfall, and it is a beautiful place to be and enjoy, meditate, drink some whiskey, enjoy life. We have a little toast to the waterfall. There's my whiskey. Marv's having his behind me. There it goes. Oh, that goes well with waterfall. Until next time.